Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to use your Samsung DeX wirelessly on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you want to connect with a TV or monitor that you have, so you just need to follow the simple steps. First, you just need to go to settings. Now, tap on this connected devices where you will find Samsung DeX. Tap on it. From here, you can just connect it with a cable through with your desktop or any monitor or any type of TV that supports the Android features or have the Android version. So if you want to connect with your monitor or any device wirelessly, then you have to simply tap on this start text and it will start searching that for the device. So make sure that your monitor or your TV is connected to the same network that you have connected on your device on your phone. So if the both device is connected in same network, then you can just find that device model name here probably. So it will list it here and then you can just match the model name and then you can tap on it and it will start pairing with these both devices between these both devices. Then you can just simply use your Samsung DeX wirelessly on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.